Good morning. Today we are in Carunchio, a beautiful, characteristic small town at only 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. And this house is located in a panoramic position of Carunchio. The house stands on 3 floors and measures 160 square meters. The main entrance is on the first floor and it opens in this halfway. We enter in the beautiful living room, very modern, with a vase of 2 windows, a beautiful fireplace in perfect working condition. Next to the living room, there is an open space, fully equipped kitchen with a balcony. It's brand new. Complete the floor, the full bathroom with shower facilities. This comfortable internal staircase takes us to the second floor. Where we find a large and bright master bedroom with a balcony. Second double bedroom with a window. Laundry corner. Second bathroom. Shower facilities. It can be closed by this door. and a single bedroom currently used as a storage. The staircase is very bright thanks to two large windows that provides a lot of natural light. The house is in perfect condition. It avails of central heating system and all the utilities are connected. On the ground floor, we can find an additional unit that was converted in an habitable space. The storage on the higher part. The kitchen with this beautiful fireplace in perfect working condition. It's made by bricks, stone and wooden beams. Also, this unit avails of the central heating system and radiators. And the pellet stove. On the right, there is a full bathroom with shower facilities. As you can see, also this unit was recently completely restored. And this is another space with its own entrance from the street. Can be used as a cellar or storage space. This unit measures 60 square meters. It's not internally connected to the first floor. It has this entrance on one of the main streets.